Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add motion blur on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC. Import the video by clicking over here on import, and after that just click on add to track. Now select the video, go over here on video basic, scroll down a little bit, and here we'll see motion blur. Check this option. Okay. Blend, keep it at 12. Blur, keep it at 85. Direction, both speed twice, and that's it. Now as you can see the result, the motion blur is applied to the video. That's it for the video. That's how you can add motion blur in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.